So we're here with Matthew Bishop after Abertown's 93rd minute equaliser against Newtown. Matthew, would you take the point on that performance today?
Yeah, I think so. I think probably a draw was a fair result. I think first 45 minutes we probably were the better team. We're quite comfortable in possession and going in 1-0 up. I was confident that we would see the game out. But Newtown came out and they had a go, and 2 sloppy goals from us, really, if I'm honest. Disappointed about that. But we kept going and we found a way. I'm delighted for Clarkey to score the 2 goals as well, and 2 good goals as well, and 2 important goals for us. So yeah, if you'd asked me over the 2 games, Newtown, over the Christmas period, could you get 4 points, or would you want 4 points? If it was anything, I'd be happy with that.
Yeah, and of course two very late goals to secure the extra points that could make such a difference.
Yeah. Well, but that's sort of like the mentality and the credit to the players, that they kept going and kept believing. They didn't stop. Some teams give up once that happens, and but we kept going, and again we found a way, which is all important. 3 points would have been nice, but obviously we're still in the shape now for the top 6. Mathematically, if we win our 2 games, we're in there. So we've just got to keep believing.
Were you getting updates from the Carmarthen Cardiff Met game on the bench, or you weren't following that?
To be honest, I wasn't interested, because it's all about us. If we do what we have to do, then we do the job. So we can't rely on anybody else, really. At the end of the day, I mean, a great result for Carmarthen. Fantastic for them going down there. But obviously now we've got to prepare now for Kevin Drury's next Saturday. Obviously a massive game for us, and we'll see where we are. Yeah,
good. Two very good goals by Joe Clark. What do you think?
Yeah, great technique. The first goal, I was delighted with that, and the second one was equally as good, because he caught it on the volley and put it in the back of the net in the corner. So yeah, I'm pleased about that, and I'm pleased for Joe. He's promised that since he's come to the football club, and he's come up today with 2 important goals for us.
Yeah, and of course finally today's the day you can talk to other players.
Yes.
31st of December. So do you expect any movement in the transfer window?
We've got a couple coming in that we're working on at the minute. 2 that are more or less done. I'm hoping to add maybe a couple more into the squad, just to give us a little different dimension, and also I suppose at the end of the day, you give the players a little bit of competition for places, because if we get that, then we don't get that complacency creeping in.
Yeah, and you'd be hoping for another big crowd on Saturday to help the boys to get that crucial win.
I hope the fans come out, because we're going to need them. When they get right behind the team, there's nothing better. So it's important that we see them there on Saturday, and hopefully we can deliver.
Lovely. Well done, Bish. Thank you very much. Cheers.